Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best incubator for quail eggs that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting off at number 5, we have the Enco 36 Quail Incubator, which offers a solid balance of features and affordability. This model is great for beginners, thanks to its one-click multifunctional incubation system that automatically adjusts temperature and humidity based on the stage of incubation. It features 360-degree automatic egg turning every 90 minutes to simulate natural hatching conditions, ensuring higher hatch rates. The egg turner automatically stops 3 days before hatching to prevent injuries to emerging chicks. Its AB humidity trays with a combined capacity of 1.1 liters make humidity management simple, while the built-in LED candler allows you to monitor embryo development with ease. In terms of build quality, this incubator features durable ABS materials that can withstand over 500 cycles of egg rotation without deformation. The Whisper Quiet motor is ideal for home use, making it a non-disruptive addition to your living space. The detachable design simplifies cleaning, ensuring hygiene without any hassle. While it's a mid-range option in terms of price, the Enco 36 Quail Incubator delivers consistent performance and thoughtful design. Pros include its easy-to-use interface, quiet operation, and high-capacity humidity trays. On the downside, it's slightly bulkier compared to other models in the list. Overall, it's a reliable choice for hobbyists and small-scale breeders looking for a user-friendly and efficient incubator. At number 4, we have the Enco 40-egg large-capacity incubator, a perfect choice for breeders who need versatility and larger capacity. This incubator can accommodate up to 40 quail eggs, making it ideal for family farms or educational purposes. It features automatic egg turning every few hours to mimic a hen's natural movements, improving hatch success rates. Humidity control is handled intelligently via sensors and a visual sync design, ensuring optimal conditions without constant manual adjustments. The transparent viewing window and LED lighting allow real-time monitoring, making this incubator great for science projects or teaching children about the hatching process. The design of this incubator is lightweight and portable, yet durable, thanks to its food-grade ABS material. It uses only 75 watts of power, making it energy efficient and cost-effective. The digital control panel is intuitive, even for beginners, and includes alerts for high-low temperatures and humidity issues. However, its larger size may not fit compact spaces as easily as other models, and its price point is on the higher side. Overall, its high-capacity, smart features, and user-friendly design make it an excellent choice for those looking to hatch larger quantities of quail eggs. It's ideal for breeders who value convenience, versatility, and educational applications. Coming in at number 3 is the BBirds MS-12 Egg Incubator, our budget-friendly option that packs a surprising amount of features for its price point. This incubator is equipped with automatic humidity control, thanks to its integrated humidifier and external water management system, which ensures stable conditions without temperature fluctuations. The LED control panel allows you to easily monitor and adjust settings, while the built-in turbofan ensures consistent airflow for even heating, eliminating the risk of cold spots. One standout feature is its interactive hatching experience, including a countdown display for hatching day and an egg candler for monitoring embryo development. The transparent lid offers full 360 degrees visibility, making it an engaging tool for educational purposes. Its compact design and lightweight build also make it easy to handle and store, though its smaller capacity of 12 eggs may not suit larger-scale operations. Additionally, while it's an affordable option, some users report that the build quality isn't as robust as premium models. For hobbyists, educators, or anyone looking for a budget incubator that doesn't skimp on essential features, the BBirds MS-12 is a fantastic choice. Its affordability, user-friendly design, and reliable performance make it a strong contender in the entry-level category. At number 2, we have the Enco Quail Egg Incubator for hatching 40 eggs, which combines premium features with high-capacity functionality. This incubator is perfect for users who want to hatch larger quantities of eggs without sacrificing control or precision. It boasts advanced temperature and humidity control systems that automatically adjust to internal environmental changes, ensuring optimal conditions for hatching. The automatic egg turner simulates natural movements, preventing eggshells from sticking to trays and improving hatch rates. A standout feature is its external water bottle system, which allows for easy water refills without opening the incubator, minimizing heat loss. Its design includes a transparent shell for a 360-degree view of the incubation process, making it ideal for educational purposes or simply enjoying the miracle of hatching. The ABS material is durable and eco-friendly, while its compact design allows for easy cleaning and portability. However, the price point is at the higher end of the spectrum, and its larger size may not be ideal for smaller spaces. Overall, the Enco Quail Egg Incubator is a top-tier choice for breeders, educators, and enthusiasts who prioritize capacity and advanced features. Its robust performance, user-friendly design, and thoughtful extras make it a worthy investment for serious hatchers. And finally, at number 1, we have the Abdo Hatch Pro Elite 18 Egg Incubator, a premium option that offers unmatched versatility and precision. This incubator is packed with advanced features, including an automatic egg turner with adjustable time intervals of 60, 120, or 180 minutes, which stops 4 days before hatching to ensure chick safety. Its dual egg trays accommodate both smaller quail eggs and larger eggs like duck or goose, making it highly adaptable for various hatching needs. The built-in egg candler lets you monitor embryo development, while its precise temperature control eliminates hot or cold spots, ensuring consistent hatching conditions. In terms of design, the Abdo Hatch Pro Elite stands out with its ultra-quiet operation, making it suitable for home use without any disturbance. Its multifunctional display provides comprehensive incubation data at a glance, such as temperature, humidity levels, and hatch day countdown. The automatic water refill system further simplifies maintenance, and the included accessories, like water bottles and hatching guides, enhance your overall experience. The 3-year warranty and lifetime support also add to its value. While it's the most expensive model on the list, the Abdo Hatch Pro Elite is worth every penny for breeders who demand precision, reliability, and versatility. Its top-notch features and thoughtful design make it the best incubator for quail eggs in 2025. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.